Hey guys, here's a clip of a video that I made a while back to help you with porosity in your restarts. I hope you like it. Hit the like button and subscribe and ring the bell if you like this kind of information. Check it out. Woo! Porosity almost always, unless it's wind or mud or oil related, some kind of contaminant, is in the start. So what I want to tell you, this quick tip, I wish somebody would have told me. I've had a lot of different people, they say start way down here and let it burn up and then get started. Well, what happens when you do that is it puts little BBs and junk, and it makes crap that you got to mow over, and you can't keep your rod close enough. You're doing a lot of long arcing and stuff like that. So the best way I've found to get away from getting any kind of porosity, because that's a problem. When you start having it, it's awful. The best way I found to start up is, you see, there's a little dimple right there where I left off. Get a little closer, Jose. There's a little dimple where I left off. I want to start right there. You want to start it up and keep all that hot and kind of weld backwards just a little bit, and then come on and run back through what you did. You want to start it up and keep all that hot and kind of weld backwards just a little bit, and then come on and run back through what you did.